promises. You are more than enough, so don't give up. Keep it